discuss is namely about the system of equations. When we say system of equations, it's a set of two or more equations that share the same variables. The goal is to find the values of the variables that satisfies all the equations simultaneously. Now, in solving a system of equations, we have what we call the methods to solve a system of equations. The first method is we have the graphing, next is we have the substitution, and next is we have the elimination. Now, in this discussion, we're going to use the method of elimination in solving a system of equations. Now, when we say elimination, it is to add or subtract a equation to eliminate one variable. Now, let's have these examples.
Now, we're going to solve each system of equations using elimination method. We have letter A, B, and C, and lastly, we have letter D. But we're going to answer first the letter A. We have 3x plus 2y plus z is equals to 8. 2x minus 3y plus 2z is equals to negative 16. Lastly, we have x plus 4y minus z is equals to 20. We have 3x plus 2y plus z is equals to 8, and that will be our equation 1. Next is we have 2x minus 3y plus 2z is equals to negative 16, and that will be our equation 2. Lastly, we have x plus 4y minus z is equals to 20, and that will be our equation 3. Now, we are going to eliminate a variable in our equation. And the equation that I'm going to choose is the equation 1 and equation 3. The variable that I want to eliminate is letter z. So step 1, we're going to eliminate letter z. Now we are done eliminating letter z. Now, the answer would be our equation 4. Namely, 4x plus 6y equals 28 will be our equation 4. The next step is we're going to eliminate letter z using a different equation. Namely, the equation that I choose is equation 3 and equation 2. Now, to eliminate letter z, we're going to multiply equation 3 by 2. In multiplying, we're going to use distributive property, namely, multiply 2 in equation 2. Now, we can eliminate letter z. We have 2x plus 8 minus 2z is equals to 40, and 2x minus 3y plus 2z is equals to negative 16. Combine like terms, we have 4x plus 5y equals 24, eliminating letter z. Now this answer will be our equation 5. Now we have equation 4 and equation 5. The next step is to find a variable that you want to eliminate using equation 4 and equation 5. And the variable that I want to eliminate is letter x. Now, for us to eliminate letter x, we are going to multiply equation 5 to negative 1. Using again the distributive property, multiply -1 to the equation 5. Now we have negative 4x minus 5y equals negative 24. At this point, we can now eliminate our variable x. In the process of eliminating x, we now have a value of y, which is 4. Step 4. Since we have now a value of y, we are going to find the value of x. To get the value of x, we are going to use equation 4. Substitute the value of y, which is 4, in the equation 4. Now we're going to isolate 4x by transposing 24 to the right side. Now make the coefficient of x equals to 1 by dividing 4. The value of our x will be 1. Now we have the value of y, which is 4, and x, which is 1. Now the last step that we are going to do, which is step 5, is to get the value of z. To get the value of z, we are going to use the equation 2, namely 2x minus 3y plus 2z equals negative 16. Now substitute x with the value of 1 and substitute y with the value of 4. After the process of substituting, we're going to multiply 2 times 1 and negative 3 times 4. Next is we're going to isolate 2z by transposing 2 and negative 12. Always remember that in the process of transposing, you need to change its sign. Therefore, when we transpose 2, the sign will change and turns into negative 2. Make the coefficient of z equals to 1 by dividing 2. Now, the value of our x will be negative 3. Therefore, our answer will be y is equals to 4, x is equals to 1, and z is equals to negative 3.